Hey guys, it's Carly, Fairy Godmother, and welcome to my summer grilling series where I have created a bunch of different fun and easy recipes that you guys are going to love. Today I'm making one of my favorite summer recipes, my grilled bison bacon burgers. So to start out, I have about a couple tablespoons of olive oil, a couple tablespoons balsamic vinegar, a couple tablespoons of coconut aminos, a splash of apple cider vinegar, all here in this bowl. And to this, I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped oregano, and then a teaspoon of sea salt, and then just a basic seasoning blend, and then a pinch of red pepper flakes. And to this, I'm going to add an egg. And this just really helps to keep the burger sticking together. And then we have our U.S. Wellness Meats ground bison. I'm going to add that. And then from here, you just mix everything together. And you want to make sure everything is really well combined here. Now that everything is combined, we're going to go ahead and form this into little burger patties. So I just take about a handful and then make it into like a little meatball and put it on. And this meat mixture is also really good for making meatballs to have in soups or just have on hand throughout the week, or maybe even little mini sliders. It's also really good. Okay, our burgers are now ready for the grill, so we're gonna grill it from about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, depending on how you like it. While our burgers are grilling, I'm gonna go ahead and cook up some of this U.S. Wellness Meats sugar-free bacon to top our burgers with. So I'm just gonna place this in a cast iron. And since this bacon is sugar-free, it cooks up pretty quickly, which is really nice. So the bacon is cooking up nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and check on our burgers. Yes, so that cheese is melted. This is looking awesome. So I'm going to just add a few of these little bacon pieces to the burgers. Let that cook a little bit. All right, our burgers are ready to come off the grill. So just pulled the burgers off the grill and getting ready to assemble them. So I have some mixed greens here with a little bit of avocado oil on it. And then I'm just going to place the burger down, and you can really pick whatever fixins you like here. I have some avocado and some tomato. You can do onion, pickles, whatever you like. There we go. And then I'm just gonna top this with a little bit of bacon grease, just because. And there you have it, our grilled bacon bison burgers. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos coming soon. Thank you so much for watching.